Modern machines continuously produce a wealth of data in real time about their progress and about important events such as faults during the production process. Hence, the task of operators on the shop floor are shifting from manual work towards monitoring machines and resolving faults reported by those. Finding the right machine to fix and knowing what to do heavily relies on the experience of the operators. We address this issue by providing on-site analysis of machine data and real-time monitoring of events with a situated visualization approach. In our system, operators can use a touch-based interface to perform a visual analysis of event data directly on the shop floor. Visualization in augmented reality guides them to the respective machine and provides important contextual information. While one issue is being handled, our approach helps keeping track of incoming and selected events. The AR view is used to notify operators about such events, allowing them to quickly reprioritize work as necessary. With our approach, operators can make sense of historic event data, monitor live events during the production process, and potentially prevent upcoming issues based on insights from historical data.